Hey, what's up everyone? For video 100 I got a few things I wanted to announce. For one, I now have a second channel. It's Robert Himler 2. You can click here to go there. I'm going to be doing some daily vlogs and videos from my everyday life. The second thing is I just got a warehouse. I'm going to be storing some cars there and doing some awesome video work, which leads to my next thing. I just bought the domain carvideos.com. For now, it's a personal blog featuring photos, videos, and stories from my life. Now for the big announcement. I'm going to be holding a contest to give back to you guys. Initially, I was going to fly in one viewer, go for a ride in my twin-turbo Lamborghini, head out for a drive, film your reaction, and post it on YouTube. Instead, I'm going to fly in 5 people. We're still going to go out, do a reaction video, and post them up on YouTube. To enter the contest, just head over to lambocontest.com where you have 5 chances to win. And last, I have a new car in the works, so you guys will definitely want to subscribe and not miss out on that. We won't disappoint you, and thanks again for all your support. Couldn't do it without you.